Today I want to show you how I built a lockable differential for the mini G-Class. A differential is needed when going around a corner, since the outer wheel is traveling a further distance than the inner wheel, which means the wheels are rotating at different speeds to each other. A differential can accomplish that by giving the wheel with less resistance or less grip more of the torque. And when going off-road, you would want to cancel out this function so all the wheels experience the same amount of torque. You can see here that I split the rear axle in half, which allows the wheels to rotate independently of one another. I added the 4 gears of the differential and the shaft that connects the 2 smaller gears. And even though the animation isn't perfect, you can see that even though there is a rotating force applied, the wheels travel at different speeds. I added some bearings, as well as the housing to hold those bearings, and the brake disc, as well as the sprocket from the motor. I first had to make some splined shafts, and online I couldn't find any that were at the right price, so I made them from mild steel. That means that they won't last forever, but now it works well enough. I then welded everything together with probably the worst welds out there, but I'll grind them down and paint them afterwards. I then also welded the smaller upper gear to the middle shaft, and when all the holes align on the top and the bolt is pushed through and fastened with a nut, it locks all of the gears. To demonstrate the differential, I'm holding one of the wheels and you can see that the other one still rotates, and I can do it on the other side as well. The motor is running on idle, so there isn't much power going through to the wheels, but this will still work at higher RPMs.